Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to boost Steam download speed. So the first and obvious thing is that you go check your Wi-Fi or your connection, and maybe it is best to try to turn it off and then turn it on again. And then the second thing to do is to go and click here on Steam. Then you are going to choose settings, and here in the settings you are going to choose downloads, and here there is two things that you can do. The first one is to change the download region, maybe that you can reduce the traffic. So for example, you choose a region that you know the traffic is low. And the second thing is that if you have limit download speed on, you just need to disable this one. And the last thing to do in download is that you go and clear the download cache. So you just click here on this button, and that's it for this. And the last thing to do is to make sure that you don't have any VPN or antivirus is on or activated, because in some cases it reduces the download speed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.